Hey there lovelies, what is up? Thank you for coming back for some more fun with me. So today we are getting rid of shit. Okay, I am so over not having hangers to hang stuff up. So we're going to be taking a journey into my closet. It is time to clean up shop, get the old out, and maybe bring some new in. I already have been bringing new in, but I can't seem to stop. So I gotta make room for the new. So I have lots of things. We're not only gonna be going through this, I have definitely some sports bras from Gymshark, possibly Lululemon. I have things that you might be interested in. If you're a girl, if you know a girl that would be interested in anything that maybe you possibly seen me try on for you in the past throughout all of my videos, then definitely keep watching because there might be something that you'd like to purchase. I list things on eBay and Poshmark, mostly Poshmark. It's just simpler that way. Let's get into this closet, shall we? Holy hell, that's a mess. So I'm just gonna take you in, and I told you I don't even have enough hangers for my things. I usually hang my things that I have to make sure to get photos in over there so I don't forget, but she is, oh my gosh, I can't believe that I'm sharing all of this with you and how terrible it looks. Keep watching if you're interested in anything that might be heading out the door. I got a brand new dress. This is from Chic Wish. It's cute, it's just not really me. So yeah, I bought it for like a bound that I wanted to do, and unfortunately the parks are closed right now, so I can't be doing that, and I just don't feel like having it hanging in my closet anymore. Many leggings like these. I really did like my Sleek and Sculpt leggings. I just never really wear them, and I feel like especially this rose color, I love pink, so why am I getting rid of pink? But I think she's got to go. I barely wear it. I try to keep my leggings stacked in like color codes, and obviously I have too many and not enough space on those shelves of mine to keep them all. So this is a pair of Queenie Key, and it's a really nice, less expensive pair of leggings. They are squat proof and everything. They're good quality. Again, it's not my cup of tea. Like, it's not what I go to. Oh, some of you might be interested. I bought a new pair of my faux leather leggings. These have been with me for a while now, but I have new ones, so yeah. I mean, they're decent quality. They definitely have been worn, but out. Lululemon. More Gymshark. Yeah. I don't think I can really pull off this taupey tan color. I look completely naked in it. Okay, so besides the leggings that we just showed you, now let me go through this pile that I already had sorted out for you over here. I have some white denims that I think I wore once, maybe twice for a photo shoot. They're from Frame. I got them at Nordstrom and really like them, but I just never wear them. I feel like they're just a little too tight on my backside. Oh, this super cute Zara dress that makes me feel like a pirate. A little leopard dress, great for summer. I just have way too many. To be honest, I've worn this stuff like maybe twice, 3 times at most. I have a problem. I realize this. This is really cute. It has like a slit here on the sleeve, so your arm shows through. It's just not my cup of tea, really. It got sent to me, so I'm just like, out you go. This is adorable. It's just a little short on my body. Little country girl in you, this gingham top. She is on the sheer side, so you definitely need nude undergarments. Gymshark, what you doing over here? But yeah, cute top. I just am not a fan of the purple on myself, so out she goes. I got this in my recent Shein haul, and it's just not fitting how I wanted it to. I wanted it to be oversized, and it's not. Oh, here you go, another Chic Wish dress, brand new with the tags on it. She would be a great Easter dress. She's really pretty. It's just, again, just not my style. Do you like my collection of Disney ears? Getting into my sports bra drawers. I'm gonna go through this stuff now, and I'll let you know. The Sleek and Sculpt matching sports bra to the leggings. I mean, to be honest, I really never wear this. It is from Lululemon. It's Free to Be. Cute little crisscross back. It's a size 6, I believe. I feel like I should keep it because she's good quality and it's Lululemon, but I really never wear it. So it's not like in my color palette. Ouch. Another Sleek and Sculpt, but this is in the blue. Bye. We have upstairs to go to. Okay guys, so I know it looks like a complete mess, but I'm having these shoes. They're on the way out. This is stuff that I've already thrown up here. I just have to go through. I haven't gotten photos of it. That's like honestly the hardest thing to do when it comes to selling stuff, is honestly like getting the photos taken and actually listing the things. But everything must go. So again, like lots of different things. Nordstrom, this is Chic Wish. I wore it once for a photo. A brand new Shein dress. There's more like cute little swimmies, and I just went through all of my swimmies. I just have to go into that room now and get them all over here. Victoria's Secret swimmy. And then this is like my Chloe lookalike bag. I'm pretty sure she's going. I never use it. Jewelry items here. So makeups. These are already things that I have listed. As you can see, I'm a complete mess, but it's okay because I'm trying to declutter and make my life more organized. I'm gonna be listing these things like as we speak right now. Some of them are already listed, so if you're interested, you're gonna wanna go check out my Poshmark, check out my eBay, just scroll down below. Both of my sites are going to be listed right there. If you liked this little closet clean out with me trying to declutter my life, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, just click the button right there in the center. That's gonna subscribe you to the channel. If you hit the bell down below, you're gonna be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, lovely, stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you then.